Visibility on social media. How do you get it? Why does it matter? Let's dive into that in this video. I was out on a ride the other day on my bicycle, and I ran across this interesting phenomenon out in the parking lot by in a shopping center nearby. The old Wienermobile showed up. You know, this thing has been around since the 1950s. And does it attract attention? Boy, the time while I was there, now you can't see it in this photo because it's all on the other side of the Wienermobile here, but they had a constant stream of visitors who, you know, were just driving by or whatever, and had to see what all was going on. Of course, they're handing out coupons, and they're probably generating a little bit of business with this thing. The point is, if you want more leads and sales for your business, you need to be found. You need to have visibility. And today, the biggest source of that visibility for you is social media. So you need to get that visibility on social media if you want your business to grow. You know, there's two companies that are really completely dominating the advertising space this day, with Facebook and Google trying to cram billions of advertisers. I don't know if that's the actual number, but I'm sure it's a lot, through their websites every day. And, you know, those people are all competing and driving up ad costs. How do you get attention without spending a fortune? And boy, I bet you we all know business owners that have spent money on either Facebook or Google, and it just went right to them, and really they got nothing out of it, you know, for their business. So the key is social media, and having that visibility there really can be the key. There's this saying that he who spends the most on advertising wins. Well, I'm going to say that he who is most visible on social media these days wins in this environment that we're in. So, yes, social media can be addictive, but, you know, I hear that often. People say, well, I hate Facebook, or, you know, all these things. They don't want to be on it, and I totally understand that. The question is, are you on social media to be, are you a consumer? Are you consuming there? Or are you being productive? Are you producing there? So if you're producing, if you're creating content, if you're a creator, then social media is a fantastic platform for you, and you're being proactive on it. So do you need to be wildly entertaining, like, you know, Mr. Beast or PewDiePie or any of these, you know, fabulously successful YouTubers or other, you know, social media stars? Well, no, you just need to, as Woody Allen said, show up. I think Woody Allen said something like 80% of success is simply showing up. So what you do is you get out there on social media, you start, you observe what happens, and then you look around, you orient, and then you decide what to do next, and then you act. You just get back out there and do it again. And so that is the key to being visible and getting that visibility on social media, which in turn is going to give you the traffic and the leads and the sales that it'll help you grow your business, I believe. And I've seen that work in so many cases, including my own. So I hope this helps. And if you like this little piece, go ahead and hit the like button below. Share your comments, share this with a friend, and come on back. I'll see you on the next video.